पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। We were seeing the Avidya Sutram, the expansion of the Avidya Sutram. What is the Avidya Sutram? Anyah asau anyaham ahamasmi. Yah Veda sa na Veda. Sa pashu sa devanam pashu bhavati. So, one who thinks I am different and others are different. Others are different means I have a distinct individuality than other person. He is different than me, she is different than me, world is different than me, achievement is different than me. Who has Bhed Buddhi? With this Bhed Buddhi, what happens? He will have calm, desire, and then he will have prayatna, effort, then he will have karma, then karma phal, then vasana, then karta, then again ichha. So this is called the Devanam Pashuhu, who is the victim of the Devatas. So Upanishad says that let us analyze this so that you can get out of it. What is the purpose of that? To analyze it so that I can get out of this cycle. So Brihadaranyaka Upanishad is helping us. So you saw that from the Virat Agni had come. From Agni, Dev Brahman, Dev Kshatriya, Dev Vaishya, Dev Shudra had come. Then they thought that still it is not under control. Then Dharma came. After Dharma had come, similarly Manushya Varna came. So first the Dev Varna came, then Manushya Varna came. Then one point was mentioned that as for the Devatas, Agni is the giver of all the fruits of action. So for Manushya, this one who has Brahman, at least I will say Brahman Guna he should have. So one who has Brahman Guna, that will give all the fruits. So Agni and Brahman, they will get everything. And 2 points were mentioned, that one who for the Devatas, Agni Upasana is there, but the Manushya who has Brahman Gun, he need not do Agni Upasana. For him, even Mantrocharan is enough. Japye naivatu samsiddhet Brahmano natra samshayah. So, Jap means what? Janmanat pati iti Jap. So, etymological meaning of Jap is Janmanat pati, that which protects from Janma. Or mantra word means mananat trayate, that which protects you when you repeat it continuously. That is called mantra. Mantra. So both are very powerful. So if a person does some mantra, so that mantra will take him out of his weaknesses. Lot of mantras are there. And again I will say, please do it to see the result. Mantra is not artha pradhan, it's dhvani pradhan. So it is not that you say Om Namah Shivaya, I know the meaning of Om Namah Shivaya. What is the meaning? He said salutations to Shiva. So this won't help. Actually, by saying Om Namah Shivaya, a particular dhvani is created, sound is created. And that dhvani is equivalent to Lord Shiva. That dhvani that comes out is equivalent to Lord Shiva. I had talked about it earlier. The word and the meaning of the word are not different when mantra is there. When mantra is there, then word and the meaning of the word, like I say paperweight. So paperweight word is in my mouth, but paperweight object is outside. So both are different. But Vedanta, rather Sanskrit Vispotvad says that when you pronounce, when any object is made, there is a displacement in the air, and because of that displacement, vibration is created, and therefore that particular sound wave and the object are not two, they are one. And therefore, one who has sattvic gun, Brahman means Shamaha, Damaha, Arjavam, Ahimsa. One who lives with this high gunas, what happens? When your mind is very broad, your mind becomes closer to Hiranyagarbha's mind. And when Hiranyagarbha's mind is there, so whatever you will think and do will bring quick fruits. Phala anugami mahipaman. About Dashrathji in Ramayana it is written, Phala anugami mahipaman. So whatever he is thinking, fruit was following that. Fruit was following his mind. So bigger is your mind, high chances are that whatever you think will happen. And therefore such a person, when he does mantra, his mantra siddhi is faster than other person. Because in his mind, less walls are there. Our mind has lot of walls, and that separates the Hiranyagarbha mind from our mind. Total mind and our mind is separated, and therefore there is lot of struggle. But this Brahman, who is endowed with higher divine qualities, his mind is one with the Hiranyagarbha mind. Therefore earlier, if you remember, first three Brahmanas were on the Upasana, Ashva Upasana, Agni Upasana, Pran Upasana. That I had already mentioned the beauty of that particular portion. Therefore, if he does jap, he does not need another sadhan. Very strong point is written. Not that he need to do extra havana after that. He can compensate everything by jap. Now, after this point, we had seen somebody asked, only one who does the right thing, will he be protected from world? He said no. Only but it is written that dharmo rakshati rakshita. Then why you are not saying he cannot be protected? Only dharmo rakshati rakshita is for the relative world in which we live. When you are only living in this world, then if you have performed dharma, your life will be much more secure than other person's life. Your fame will be secured, your family may be secured, all are relative words. But it won't secure you from rebirth. Because rebirth is not the result of doing dharma. Cessation of rebirth will be when I am out of dharma and adharma both. Because dharma will give the fruit of action. Dharma will give the fruit of action. And therefore, when Nachiketa asked this question to Yamraj, You know what was the question? Anyatra dharmad, anyatra dharmad. Anyatra smat krita kritat. Anyatra bhutacha bhavyacha yattat pashyasi tadvada. What is different than dharma and adharma both? So here, now the Upanishad says, please see this 15th mantra. Athayo va hatyo hava, page 293. Athayo hava asmat lokat swam lokam adrishtva praiti sa enam aviditah na bhunakti. Very, very significant points are there. He is saying, Yaha. Yaha means that person, that Jeev, living twice loka word has come. And I had told meaning is different. First loka means body, second loka means atma. So if utpatti wise, if I tell, so lok means field of experience. Field of experience. So lokyate, bhujyate, anubhuyate. One derivation is like that. And other is lokate, anubhavati. So one who leaves the manushya lok, and how he lives, swam lokam adrishtva. Here swam means atma swarupam. He does not know the self. Sa enam aviditah na bhunakti. So this sa, ya and sa will go together. Relative pronoun and pronoun will go together. Ya, if it is coming, you have to substitute sa also. It is like that. He who came. So you have to substitute that. The one who went yesterday. Supposing somebody says, and he remains quiet after that. So he will say, by what? So one who came yesterday night, he has come today also. So this is called relative, and relative pronoun and pronoun should be matching. So yahas asmat lokat swam lokam adrishtva. Adrishtva means without knowing the self. Prayati. Pra plus eti. Pra plus eti. Eti means goes. Sa enam aviditah na bhunakti. Here bhunakti means protected. He is not protected. Okay. Now he is giving the example. What example is there? What example is there? Example is of the one who Vedas are there. So they say Veda, when you chant, then it protects. So one who does not chant the Vedas, anuktaha vedaha na rakshati. Only I have kept the book. No, book you keep is good, but it won't protect you. So this is said here. Similarly, punnikarm, unless it is performed, it won't give the fruit. So unperformed punnikarm protects a person. Unperformed. So unperformed punnikarm does not protect the person. So here it is written, please see, yatha, example, vedaha va ananuktaha. Ananukta means not chanted. So don't read the Veda, it has to be loudly chanted. So if you see Vedic part is going on, they will be chanting loudly. And there will be swaras are there. They will do like that, depend upon this is Yajurvedi, Krishna Yajurvedi or Shukla Yajurvedi. Like in South India, there is Krishna Yajurvedi is there. North India, Shukla Yajurvedi is there. This side, Rig Veda is there. So if you see they are chanting, they will be very loud. Ordinary person can't chant, because one who is not confident already he will be slow. And problem is sometimes one who is wrong, he is very confidently chanting. So that also creates a problem. So you have to chant Om Namo Bhagavate Rudraya, Om Namaste Rudramanyavavato Daishave Namah, Namaste Astu Dhanvane Bahubhyam Mudate Namah, Yata Ishu Shivatama Shivam Babhuvate Dhanu, Shiva Sharavyaya Tavatayano Rudramidaya, Yata Rudra Shiva Dhanura Ghora Papakashini, Tyanasthanava Chantamaya Grishanta Vichakashi. Like that it has to be chanted. Oh my God, I got scared. So yatha veda anukta. Not that you are murmuring Om Namo Bhagavate. Acha. So it won't help. So you have to loudly chant it. And therefore those who are having the Vedic chanting schools are there. If you go there, here also in Pune also, there are Pathshala where they learn Vedas. Everywhere is there, but few are chanting. Slowly the number of Vedic part people are dwindling down, unfortunately. Okay, so that's not a good sign. To get a proper priest who chants is becoming rarer now. But earlier tradition was there, so that they are used to bring 16-20 priests and they used to chant very loudly. Still that is in many places in South India, you will see that. So yatha vedaha ananuktaha anyadva or karma akritam. Karma akritam. Karma akritam means punya which is not done. Only I am thinking of giving donation. See, thinking won't help you, you have to give. I am thinking of serving my parent. No, you have to serve. Don't think. Shubham shigre prakurvita. Shubham dirgha sutrata. So if some good sankalp is coming, try to do it fast. You don't know next moment life will be there or not. Okay, if prasad you get, eat immediately. Don't keep it. Why? Because you may pass away in between. So then prasad, you just at least take little so that you just don't know. One day will be the last prasad. Okay, one day will be the last satsang. One day will be the last chanting of your mantra. And you don't know when is the last. All of us imagine we will live a long life. Although they are 85, 90, still they think I live a long life. So it is written here, Yadi hava api. Karma kritam. 1 minute. Veda anuktaha. So if those who are loving Sanskrit, they can substitute na bhunakti after this also. Yataha veda hava anuktaha na bhunakti. I had told yesterday that bhunakti has two meanings. In Sanskrit there are roots called Atmanipadi root and Parasmapadi roots are there. So in Atmanipadi, just hear. Don't worry. Well, I don't know what you are talking. Atmanipadi roots in the meaning of bhuj dhatu is eating and parasmaipadi is a protecting. Okay? Like you say, Om Sahana Bhavatu Sahanau Bhunaktu. A bhunaktu word there is not for eating. Because this is the Shanti mantra chanted before the class. When the Vedanta class is starting, because this is a Vedic mantra, Upanishad is there. So one who is going to study Upanishad is not eating at that time. So there bhunaktu has the meaning of please protect both of us together. Okay, although I have seen that before eating, somewhere I went, so food started, so they chanted this mantra, Om Sahana Bhavatu Sahana Bhunaktu. Thika, you can chant, but you should know the meaning. So here, Bhuj Dhatu has the meaning of protection. Yes, if it is Atmanipadi, then Bhuj Dhatu has the meaning of eating. So here, Bhunakti. Acha, please be Sanskrit people, please careful. Yatha Vedaha va ananuktaha na bhunakti. You can add there. Anyatva karma akritam na bhunakti here also. That action which is not performed, that punya, it won't create, it protect you. Full stop. After that, what happened? Yadi hava api anemam vid. There is one person who does not know the self. So his name is anevam vid, who does not know. Anevam vid mahat punyam karma karoti. Anemam vid. So he may do lot of punya karma also. He did lot of punya karma. Tadhasya antatah kshiyate. But that punya karma exhausts. Fruit is over. In 40 year, 50 year, fruit is over of that. Because that punya karma is done in finite time, in finite sadhan. So any karma will not give infinite fruit. So it is written here, tadhasya antatah kshiyate. Tasmat, what the instruction is there? Tasmat eva atmanam eva lokam upasita. Here lokam means atma. One should do the upasana of the atma which is lok. फिर आगे देखो बात यहाँ पे. Therefore he was wanting to bring it here. Therefore one should do the upasana of the atma. Here upasana, again understand, upasana means janiyat. One should know. Janiyat, he should know it. Because anything you do, it will all finish. Only I did so much of work, fruit will be over. Fruit will be over. Then what will happen? Again will be same. So what? You should get that fruit which does not end. Acha? How much good actions you do, but it will all get exhausted. And if you are doing good action for pleasing the God, yes, then it will purify your mind. Hope it is clear. Okay. Sa yaha atmanam ev lokam upaste. Again local means atma here. Don't confuse. One who did the upasana of the atma, na ha hasya. Has doesn't mean laughter here. Ha plus asya. Ha plus asya karma kshiyate. There is no karma, then it will not diminish. The fruit won't diminish. Why? Because karta, anything karta will do, fruit will diminish. Karta, because this is the Mundak Upanishad student. Mundak Upanishad student goes to the teacher. So he says, teacher said, why have you come all the way from the city in this forest? There he mentions, Parikshalokan karmajitan brahmanaha na asti akritah kritena. Only when you purchase tabla, harmonium, so you do like that. Then you take another one. Then you take third one. So student says, I have well examined the world. Pariksha means paritayikshanam, seeing something from all sides. I have well examined the world. Parikshalokan. Well, what did you find in this? Well, this world, what I find, is made out of karma. Iska masala, like body is there. So what is the cause of body? Karma. There is one principle. You should know that with any material cause is there. In one material cause, lot of different shapes are there. Then karma alone will give shape to one material cause. Supposing you have a mud, and from one lump of mud, somebody makes one pot. Somebody makes that, that kullad cup is there. If in one material cause you get many different shapes, that means karma was done to give it different shape. Shape will be given by karma. This book, shape of this book was given by karma. The shape of this table was given by karma. This mic shape was given by karma. This building shape was given by karma. So this body shape is also given by karma. And all our situation is equivalent to many different shapes. The congregation of many shapes is called our present fruit of action. In that, wife is there, husband is there, children are there, father, mother are there. Huh? Money is there. Money has shape or not? Huh? Arey, you don't say my financial shape is not good. Money is also there. Okay. Office is also there. Acha? Then what else is there? All what you can think is a combination of various shapes. And who maintains those shapes? Huh? Who maintains that shape? Karma. And moment that particular fruit of action is over, that shape from your life will disappear. Gaya wo shape. It may be father's mother's shape. It may be shape of a fame also. Shape of a health also. Shape of a child also. Shape of a husband also. So who is the maintainer of all those shapes? All the shapes are maintained by Kal or Karmphal. They are all keeping it intact. Don't think you are maintaining your shape by eating salad. So, broccoli and lettuce is not maintaining your shape. Some people, how much less they eat, their weight does not decrease. One person went to dietitian. So he said, see, morning eat sprout. After that take 2 toasts only. And they gave a big list. After every 2 hours you should eat. So he came after 15-20 days. He said, what happened? Well, your weight is increased. Earlier it was 98, it has become 106. Did you follow? He said, I follow religiously what you say. I said, but how come it? Did you eat something else other than this or this only? Well, whatever I was eating earlier, apart from that I ate that. So he said, when dietitian is done, you have to follow it. You have to eat only this thing. You have to leave everything else. So these shapes are maintained by Karmphal. It may be good and bad. बड़ा अच्छा है मामला. The Karmphal is making a tuck. Shape आ गया. And around you, there is not you are not the only one. There are a lot of shapes. Husband, wife, children, money, boss, subordinate, your financial condition, your fame is also a shape. He is popular here. He is a local artist. In this city, he is very well known, not in other city. In this country, this actor is well known now. People don't know there. Okay? And his fame will be till 20 years. After that, he will. क्या एक टाइम था, दैट फिल्म स्टार वाज देयर, diminished now. इनका एक शेप है, and कर्म maintains shape and you cannot destroy that shape. Moment the ingredients which made that shape, what ingredients? Karmphal. No, what made the Karmphal? How strong was the resolution? For how long action was done? What was the sankalp? Or by where it was done? If you gave dan, where you did give dan? You gave dan on Ekadashi or another thing. What you gave dan? How much you gave dan? What was your condition when you gave dan? To whom you gave dan? Acha. All these things, whose blessings you have in your life, who is behind you, who is ahead of you, these ingredients are there in the karma. Karma is not one thing. Karma is not name of one action. One action has many aspects. My sankalp is very tivra to do something good. I thought I will do lot, I want to do puja. But kanjus I was, I did not use dravya. So the puja dravya should be decided by my income. If my income is high and puja dravya is less, 2 flowers I offered and I am earning 80,000. So the fruit will be lesser now. And that too you plucked from the neighbor's garden. So now the fruit will be lesser now. You go to purchase supadi. So the shopkeeper asks, Bole, supadi you want to eat or for puja? Bole puja. Bole then ye sasti wale, this is cheaper one, you can take that. I have heard all these things. When karma phal is coming, all is calculated now. And therefore everybody's karma phal is mixture kind of karma phal. Because we mixed it while doing it. Components are mixed up and it is maintaining the shape. Okay.